Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm an Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers, so if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, Quran or Arabic, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic, try to. And before starting our lesson, please guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be grateful for this, because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. Now, let's see what's the meaning of try to in Arabic language. Please look at this sentence. Try to do whatever is right. Try to do whatever is right. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Well, we say حاول أن تفعل كل ما هو صواب. حاول أن تفعل كل ما هو صواب. حاول أن try to تفعل do كل ما هو whatever is صواب right. حاول أن تفعل كل ما هو صواب. So try to in Arabic language means حاول, okay, or حاولي أن, and then you add مضارع, you add present tense. حاول or حاولي in command form, okay, حاول try, حاولي try, أن try to, you have to put أن. Okay, let's see some examples. Please look at the first sentence. Try to spend longer time with your family. Try to spend longer time with your family. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Okay, we say حاول أن تقضي وقتا أطول مع عائلتك. حاول أن تقضي وقتا أطول مع عائلتك. حاول أن try to تقضي spend وقتا time أطول longer مع with عائلتك your family. حاول أن تقضي وقتا أطول مع عائلتك. Okay, the second sentence. Please look. Try to finish cooking before 5 o'clock. Try to finish cooking before 5 o'clock. How to say this sentence? Okay, we say حاولي أن تنتهي من الطبخ قبل الخامسة. حاولي أن تنتهي من الطبخ قبل الخامسة. حاولي and try to. Here is for feminine. تنتهي من finish. الطبخ cooking قبل before الخامسة 5 o'clock. حاولي أن تنتهي من الطبخ قبل الخامسة. Okay, the last sentence. Please look. Try to walk every day for 30 minutes. Try to walk every day for 30 minutes. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Well, I let it for you. Try to write it in a comment. I will look at it and correct for you, inshallah. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you, inshallah. Please don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.